Hi, Mira. Did you look at my suggestions for our client's new company logo?
Yes, I worked on the logo last night. I stayed up late to make sure it was perfect. Here, take a look at it.
You can't be serious. We can't show this to our boss. I thought we agreed on using a light green color. This is dark green. It almost looks brown. I thought I could rely on you to make this by yourself, but I guess not.
I don't want to hear about it. All you do is complain about my work. You always disagree with everything I do.
After we talked about the logo yesterday, I thought you would make it differently. You know our boss insists on us doing everything perfectly. I don't know how we'll recover from this mistake. We have to meet with our boss in half an hour.
I care about our client enough to put in extra time and energy. But you only concern yourself with looking good in front of our boss. Let me see the work that you prepared for today. Let's see how it compares with mine.
Okay, listen to this slogan. Sip our seltzer and escape from your problems into a tropical paradise.
Are you kidding? I can't believe that's what you prepared for today. It's too long, and that's not what the company is about.
Maybe I could concentrate on getting the slogan right if I weren't busy worrying about the logo.
Don't blame this on me. We only have 10 more minutes to spend on this project. Let's try to think about a solution before the meeting.
Yes, let's deal with this problem quickly.
I can easily change the color of the logo. So, how do you feel about it now?
I think it looks much better.
Can you think of a better slogan?
I don't think there's anything wrong with the slogan I wrote. You just reacted to it because I objected to the color of your logo. That's the only reason you disapprove of it.
That's not true. We don't have time to argue about it. We have to meet with our boss right now.
Hi, Doug and Mira. I'm excited to see what you've come up with. I know I can always count on you two to be creative. Since I believe in the power of teamwork, I wanted you to work on this project together.
Thank you for trusting us with this client. I was excited to participate in this project at first, but I'm afraid we might not have succeeded in working well together.
I can't speak to how much time Doug spent on this project, but I have fully committed myself to it.
Let me see what you both came up with. We may need to make some changes to it to adapt to this new client's perspective.
Here.
Wow, this looks great. Did you help with this, Doug?
Yes, I did. As soon as I glanced at the logo, I knew what changes needed to be made. I talked to Mira and told her how to improve it. She took my advice and it resulted in that logo.
You have no right to boast about the logo. I worked hard on it, and then I had to deal with your criticism.
Let me explain to you both what teamwork and cooperation mean. Because I think you're confusing them with competition. I can sympathize with Mira about not wanting to be criticized. I want to hear about what you both did. But I also want you to talk about something positive the other person did. Now, let me see the slogan.
This is what I came up with. I know we might need to add to it.
Actually, this is a good starting point, but you might want to make it shorter.
Mira told me that too. But since she doesn't specialize in copywriting, I didn't listen to her. I want to apologize for not taking your comments seriously.
That's okay. I think you have a good idea for the slogan. I want to apologize to you for being so critical. We can work on it together and see if it leads to us creating a better one.
It's all right. We can forget about our argument and move on.
I want to congratulate you on working together. When you work together, you need to understand where the other person is coming from. I encourage you to get better acquainted with each other. Figure out how you can borrow from each other to come up with something better than you would on your own.
We will.
Yes, we will.
Remember, the success of this project depends on solid teamwork. And have that logo and that slogan ready by tomorrow.